हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम। नमस्कार। आज हम शिपिंग कॉरपोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया के बारे में बात करेंगे। तो ये स्टॉक मैंने पिक किया है क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि इसमें बहुत दम है। अ, अभी गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया कल एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट रिलीज करने वाली है। अराउंड 3 to 4 प्राइवेट प्लेयर्स इंटरेस्टेड हैं शिपिंग कॉरपोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया को बाय करने के लिए, इंक्लूडिंग अदानी, वेदांता, दुबई। सो ऐसी न्यूज़ आई है। ठीक है। तो जब मल्टीपल प्लेयर्स होते हैं किसी कंपनी में इंटरेस्टेड, सो दैट मीन्स दैट कंपनी हैज़ अ गुड फ्यूचर। And now we'll talk about the financials and the technicals as well. So first of all, this is the certain parameters for Shipping Corporation of India. This is around 4,000 crores market cap company, and the current market price is about half of the book value. Book value is 170. Promoter holding is strong, 64%, and we see that return on equity and return on capital employed is quite less. That explains why it is trading at a single digit P. So there are multiple factors. Again, P is quite less. It should be around 8 to 9, as per my opinion. So we'll see some of the technicals now. So this is the around 15-year chart for Shipping Corporation of India's price, and we see that it has made a high of around 220 in Jan 2008, and then it went to around 180 in Jan 2011, but after that it has not been able to cross 100, right? So okay, that's fine. But what about the future prospects? Will it cross 100 in the future or not? So that we have to discuss. Abhi, in the last 1 year, I see that it made around two double tops, or double top pattern, you can say, around 65. Okay, and now it has crossed that. In the last 2 3 days, it went up till 88 and now back to 84. So, in my previous analysis on different companies, I have talked about it, and we have also seen that happening. If a company crosses double top pattern, then at least it makes 50% from there. So currently it is 35%. It will easily go to 100. SCI will easily go to 100, and after that, it will depend on the price which the private player who is selected they are going to offer to the government. So my opinion is the price for shipping corporation should not be one less than 170, less than the book value, because it is not a loss making company, it is not a debt ridden company. uh, you know the debt to equity is less than zero point 0.5 for this company, and it has lots of reserves. uh, it has good cash, so there is no risk to this company of insolvency. Okay, so it should not be a distress sale. That is one point. Second is, we can see in this chart there are 50 DMA in the golden line, right, and 200 DMA in the black line. So we know, right, that whenever 50 DMA crosses the 200 DMA, the stock will rise. It will go in a rising pattern. So this you can see. Whenever the stock is rising, the 50 DMA is over and above the 200 DMA, right? Whether you see it this pattern or this pattern, and whenever the stock is falling, the 200 DMA is above the 50 DMA, as you can see here, right? So currently, what we see is, if we see the 1 year chart, initially the 50 DMA was over and above the 200 DMA, then it crossed, and now it is again, it is refusing to cross below the 200 DMA. Okay, it was about to cross it, but then it took a reverse path. So, and more the distance between 50 DMA and 200 DMA, more are the chances of subsequent rise in the share price. So it is diverging, right? It is not converging. So you will see definitely good rise in this share in the coming days. And see the volumes, great volume, right? Increase in volume of trading coupled with divergence of 50 DMA with 200 DMA. That's a good combination for subsequent rise in the share price. Now, we can see the comparison with other companies also. So, FCI and GE Shipping are neck and neck. Both have similar market cap, almost similar sales. Shipping Corporation is, 10% bigger in terms of sale, although the GE Shipping was, it performed, in a better manner. It had net profit more than the Shipping Corporation. But we have to see that where is the next movement targeted, right? Uh, Make sure that whenever you check for a company, always prefer those companies which have high promoter holding, and Shipping Corporation, leads GE Shipping in that front. Right now, its promoter is government, but soon it is going to be changed to a private player, and that will bring in lot of you know opportunities for an investor like you and me to get good returns from this share price. Currently, I am saying that it should be 170 at least, but it can be, once it is acquired, it will go to 250, 300, 400. You never know. So, uh, that's on the peer comparison, right? Now we'll talk about the last 4 quarters performance for Shipping Corporation of India. So, in 2018 to 19 fiscal year, this company was topsy-turvy, sometimes negative EPS, sometimes positive. And from December 2019, we have seen a complete reversal. The company has been performing very good. Operating profit margin, it is in 30 to 40%, more than 40%. So that's very good to hear, very good to see from for this company. And sales has been buoyant. They are selling a lot of tankers, and they make a good profit margin on tankers. Although on other products, they are not very good, but lot of around 670% of their assets are deployed in production of tankers. uh, yeah, so see, 19 is the EPS for the last year. So you can say that because they have to sell, so they are trying to improve their performance. So that's, yeah, that's true. So whenever you have to sell an asset, you like to project it in a very good light. So I hope that this is the truth which I see on the balance sheet or on the profit and loss, right? And very good point to note here is the balance sheet. So in last 6 months, they have reduced their debt by 1,200 crores. So that makes the debt to equity less than zero point 0.5. And I am very comfortable in actually investing this share now. I will also like to see the bank balance for this company. So it is around 871 crores, right? So they can reduce their uh, debt further in the coming quarters because they have a lot of cash at their hand. Yeah. So that's pretty much the analysis of this company. Let me know if you'd like to know any particular questions on this share. We can see the cash flows here. So see, repayment of borrowings. So since last 5 years, they are into debt reduction mode. You can see that. And cash from operating activity is quite good. But due to their repayment, you see the total cash generated is not very high.